2021, celebrating the Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week, and I'm not even going to try to say that. I was embarrassed myself, and that's my hand. So we have a report from Ms. Maya Burnett, project analyst. Ms. Burnett, you have this.
Good evening, Chairman Elliott and council members. I appreciate this opportunity to present proclamation number 26-21. As you know, this is always my favorite time of the year to visit this. So we are celebrating Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week. Hanama State Caddy Group for Hidden Tree.
And that's why I didn't say it.
Please indulge me as I read this in its entirety. Whereas Georgetown County has a rich history deeply connected to the Gullah Geechee people who have lived in this coastal region since its earliest days and have made lasting contributions to our community, state, and nation. And whereas the Gullah Geechee people remain one of the oldest continuously thriving cultural groups in the United States, whose legacy continues to enrich the local country through their history, traditions, and commitments to preserving their culture. And whereas Georgetown County proudly recognizes Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week and honors the contributions of the Gullah Geechee people throughout our region, and whereas 2026 marks the 26th anniversary of St. Helena Island's own chiefess, Queen Quet, served as head Pondegauti of the Gullah Geechee Nation, recognizing her decades of leadership in protecting Gullah Geechee culture, human rights, and land and water rights. And whereas Queen Quet founded the Gullah Geechee Sea Island Coalition, the first organization in world history to have Gullah Geechee in its name, which celebrates its 30th anniversary in 2026 and continues its mission of preserving and protecting Gullah Geechee heritage. And whereas preserving and celebrating the Gullah Geechee culture ensures that future generations will continue to recognize and appreciate its invaluable contribution. Now, therefore, be it proclaimed that the Georgetown County Council hereby proclaims July 25th through August 1st, 2026, as Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week in Georgetown County, and encourages all citizens to participate in activities celebrating and honoring the rich history and cultural heritage of the Gullah Geechee Nation. Be it further proclaimed that Georgetown County recognizes the 2026 theme, Hanama State Caddy Group for Hidden Tree, and encourages the continued preservation of the roots, traditions, and legacy of the Gullah Geechee people. So proclaimed this 21st day of July 2026.
Thank you, Ms. Burnett. You've heard a report on proclamation 26-21, celebrating the Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week. Is there a motion on the floor?
Yes, Mr. Chairman, I move for adoption of proclamation number 26-21.
Thank you, Councilman Moran. Is there a second? Second. Second by Councilor Anderson. Is there any discussion? Hearing none, all in favor, please raise your hand. All opposed? Proclamation passes.
Partner, whatever is for Brother Moran, you should have helped the chairman out. Hold on, I ain't gonna put credit people like that. Anyway, okay. So glad to be back at Georgetown. So I don't blame you, chairman. I'm gonna blame Brother Moran. He should have taught you some Gullah before I got here. I'll leave the bishop out of this Brother Moran. Been there too long. Now I can crack teeth like a bishop. Anyway, okay. So I'm so happy to be back here with all of you and to be a part of the celebration again this year with all of you. And this is the first time I think that this has been the same week that we launched that I've come here to get the proclamation. So I would greatly appreciate y'all following me back down the creek, because on Friday, interestingly enough, this is so appropriate. When I looked at the agenda and I saw the March discussion, I said, oh, I can't wait to hear that. I had no idea that one of my partners, Kelly, was presenting that. And so another project that we collaborate with the South Carolina Aquarium on is our Gullah Geechee Create project. And Create stands for Coastal Removal Engaging Artists Through the Environment. This year, we are doing a free Gullah Geechee Family Day event on Friday at Penn Center, 6 o'clock, so that you get to meet the artists. And what they've done is African American and Gullah Geechee artists from throughout the state, but mostly on our coast. We have done cleanups, and then they upcycle the debris into artwork pieces. And so they will not only display some of the pieces, but we'll be auctioning pieces as well on Friday evening. And then on Saturday from noon to 3, across the campus from the Dr. York Bailey Museum is the Frizzell Community House at Penn Center. And so we will have Gullah Geechee Family Day, so come boots on the ground, ready to get down and things like that. We're going to have good things for Nyampa down there, and plenty of music and fun, and whole family getting together again this year. And so I'm so happy that Georgetown has been one of the towns that has participated in over a decade of this celebration. And always during that week, we encourage people to come up here, and in particular to go to the Gullah Museum, and then to be able to participate in some of the other activities. So hopefully next year, we can have something even bigger that happens here. I see y'all doing a lot of new things happening as I come across the bridge. So I'm looking forward to seeing what's to come that will continue to celebrate who we are right here in Georgetown County, South Carolina. So thank you all once again. Peace, love, and blessings. And I'm about to take this ride back down the coast. So much love to y'all. Y'all have a great evening. I look forward to seeing y'all this weekend down in Beaufort County, where yes, we have banned those plastics and we're trying to clean up the rest. Peace, love, and blessings, y'all.